You are all good and doing well. Welcome back to our science class, children. This is your science teacher. Children, do you watch the videos at your home? Very good, children. Don't waste your time. Watch the videos and understood the topic. And after watching the video, you must need to read a textbook. So as early as possible, to take the textbooks, children. Okay, children. Today I have come up with one more science topic, that is animal reproduction. What is that, children? Animal reproduction. Animal reproduction. Okay. In the topic, we learn about what is reproduction, how the reproduction takes place in animals. Okay. Some animals that give birth to babies, and some animals egg-laying animals. Some animals give birth to their young ones by laying the eggs, and some other animals laying eggs. In that, we learn about life cycle of a frog, life cycle of a cockroach, and life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, children, these are all the topics we will learn in this total lesson. Okay, children, first of all, let us enter into our topic. Living things do not live forever. Yes or no, children? Yes. What are called living things? Things having life are called living things. Living things do not live forever. So, they want to continue and retain their generation by the process of reproduction. What is called reproduction? The plants and animals reproduce their young ones by the process is called reproduction. Okay, the plants and animals reproduce their young ones is called a reproduction. Okay, children. Here, first of all, we learned about animals that give birth to babies. Animals that give birth to babies. Reproduction takes place in animals in different ways. Reproduction takes place in animals in different ways. Some animals give birth to their babies. For example, dog give birth to puppy, and cat give birth to kitten. Yes or no, children? Cow give birth to calf. Like that, lions, horses, and elephants also give birth to their young ones. This process is called reproduction. Okay? By the reproduction, some animals produce their young ones, and here animals produce their young ones and circle them are called mammals. Once you observe the spelling, children, mammals, M-A-M-M-A-L-S, mammals. Animals that give birth to their young ones and circle them are called mammals. Okay, here some of the mammals are quite big, like whales. Whales are quite big mammals. And some mammals are quite small, like rat and shrew are quite small. Okay, children. And monkeys and squirrels are mammals that live on the trees. Monkeys and squirrels are mammals that live on the trees. Okay, children. Whales and dolphins are the aquatic animals. They are also mammals. Sorry, children. Whales and dolphins are the mammals that belongs to the aquatic animals because the animals that live in the water. So they are called aquatic animals. And bats are also mammals, children, that fly in the air. Bats are also mammals that fly in the air. And not only these are all animals, human beings are also mammals. But because human beings give birth to their young ones and produce their own kind. Okay, children, that's why human beings are also mammals. Here, the female animals are a mother gives birth to young ones. Both mother and father take care of the young ones. Okay, children. Here, animals that give birth to babies. Some of the animals that give birth to their babies. The animals produce a fully developed babies. Okay, children. Including that, human beings also mammals. Okay, this is completed. Next one, we will learn about egg-laying animals. What is this, children? Egg-laying animals. In that, some animals are egg-laying animals. Some animals do not produce their own kind directly. Okay, they produce their babies by laying eggs. Okay, children. Birds laying eggs in the nest. Did you know about nest, children? Yes, nest is the home of a bird. In the nest, the birds lay eggs and sit on the eggs because to keep them warm. Okay, after that, the eggs are hatched and the small babies, small young ones are come out of the egg. Okay, children, small babies or small young ones are come out of the egg. The egg is either small or big. The egg is either small or big in size. The egg has a same structure. The egg is either small or big. The egg has a same structure. The eggs have a hard outer shell. The egg have a hard outer shell. Shell means గుడ్డు పైన మనకు పెంకు ఉంటుంది కదా, దాన్ని షెల్ అంటారు. The egg has a hard outer shell. Inside the shell there is a white sticky liquid is called albumin. Remember that, children. Inside the shell there is a white sticky liquid that is called albumin. Okay, and the yellow part in the center of the egg is called yolk. Y-O-L-K, yolk. Okay, the yellow part in the center of the egg is called yolk. Inside the yolk there is a embryo. The baby bird comes out from the embryo. Okay, the embryo develops into a baby bird. Okay, and the yolk forms food for the embryo. Inside the yolk there is a embryo. Embryo develops into a small baby bird. The yolk forms food for the embryo. Okay, children. And the embryo takes 20 days to becoming a young bird. The embryo takes 20 days to becoming a young bird. Okay, children. The embryo takes 20 days to become a young bird. Okay. Next, we will learn about other egg-laying animals. Not only birds, animals like insects, frogs and fishes lay eggs. Frogs and fishes lay eggs in water. Okay. In this, we will learn about life cycle of a frog. What is this, children? Life cycle of a frog. In the life cycle of a frog, first of all, what is the life cycle, children? A frog lays eggs. Eggs passes through a number of stages of development before becoming an adult. The number of stages are together called the life cycle. Okay. The frog lays eggs. Eggs passes through a number of stages of development before becoming an adult frog. The stages are together called the life cycle. Okay, children. First of all, we will learn about life cycle of a frog. Okay, life cycle of a frog. A female frog lays eggs in the water. Okay. After some days, the eggs are hatched and a small tadpole comes out. Okay. After some times, the eggs are hatched and a small tadpole comes out. It is quite different from a frog. It is looking like a fish. Okay, that is the tadpole. The tadpole slowly changes into an adult frog. Okay, children. Once you observe this is the life cycle of a frog. Once you observe here, the female frog lays eggs, and after some days, the eggs are hatched. Okay, after hatching, the tadpole comes out. The tadpole is looking like a fish. It is quite different from a frog. After some times, the tadpole slowly changes into a adult frog. This is the fully developed tadpole. It is just looking like a frog. It is a fully developed tadpole. Okay, children. First of all, the eggs changes into a tadpole. The tadpole with two legs, and after developing the tadpole, it is a fully developed tadpole. It is looking like a frog. After that, the developed tadpole becomes a adult frog. Okay, children. Here once you observe, the eggs are changes into tadpole. The tadpole slowly changes into a fully developed tadpole. After that, the fully developed tadpole changes into a young adult frog. Okay, it takes in some stages. These stages are putting together called a life cycle. The stages of a frog. So this is a life cycle of a frog. Did you understand, children? Okay. Next one. We will learn about life cycle of a cockroach. Life cycle of a cockroach. Reptiles like lizards, turtles and snakes lay eggs in the ground. Reptiles like lizards, turtles and snakes lay eggs in the ground. And after laying the eggs, they do not take care about those eggs. The eggs are hatched by the heat of the sun. Okay, children, remember that some of the animals, reptiles like snakes lay their eggs in the ground. After laying the eggs, the animals don't care about the eggs. The eggs are hatched by the heat of the sun. Okay, the eggs are hatched by the heat of the sun. And here, insects like cockroach and grasshopper have 3 stages in the life cycle. Okay, the cockroach has 3 stages in its life cycle. First of all, the egg. After the first stage is egg. After hatching the egg, the baby cockroach comes out. The baby cockroach is called nymph. Okay, in the important children, in the life cycle of cockroach, what is called the baby cockroach? The baby cockroach is called nymph. N-Y-M-P-H, nymph. Okay, children. After that, the nymph changes into an adult. It sheds its skin, and shedding of its old skin is called molting. Shedding of its old skin is called molting. Did you understand? The cockroach has 3 stages in its life cycle. The first one is egg. After hatching the egg, the small baby cockroach comes out. The small baby cockroach is called nymph. The nymph sheds its skin, and after that it becomes an adult cockroach. Okay, these are the 3 stages in the cockroach. Next one, life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, children, life cycle of a butterfly. Insects like housefly and butterfly have 4 stages in its life cycle. Cockroach has 3 stages in its life cycle. Here, butterfly and housefly has 4 stages in its life cycle. First of all, the egg hatches into a worm-like creature called larva. Okay, children, the eggs hatches into a worm-like creature called larva. The larva is quite different from the parent. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. Okay, children. The caterpillar grows by eating lot of leaves. When it stops the eating of leaves, there is a covering around itself. This stage is called pupa. P-U-P-A, pupa. This stage is called pupa. The covering of pupa is called cocoon. C-A-C-O-O-N, cocoon. The covering of pupa is called cocoon. After the pupa is burst the cocoon, a beautiful butterfly comes out. Okay, children, butterfly have 4 stages in its lifetime. First time, the eggs changes into a caterpillar. The eggs changes into a larva. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. The caterpillar changes into a pupa. The covering of pupa is called cocoon. After bursting the pupa bursts the cocoon, then a beautiful butterfly comes out. These are the this is the life cycle of a butterfly, and here once you observe the process of change of caterpillar to a beautiful butterfly, adult butterfly is called metamorphosis. Okay children, the process of changing caterpillar to an adult butterfly is called metamorphosis, and the larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. The larva of a housefly is called maggot. Once you observe the larva of a housefly. Okay children, this is the larva of a housefly. This is called maggot. Okay. Here you observe the housefly have also 4 stages in its lifetime. Okay children, what is called the larva of housefly? Very good, maggot. M-A-G-G-O-T, maggot. Okay children, the lesson is completed. Once I revise what we learnt in this lesson. First of all, we learnt about reproduction. Animals and plants reproduce their young ones is called a reproduction. Reproduction takes place in different ways. Different animals reproduce in different ways. Some of the animals reproduce by give birth to their babies, and some animals reproduce by laying eggs, and some other egg-laying animals. Not only birds, other than birds, animals like fishes and insects lay eggs. Fishes and frogs lay eggs in the water, and life cycle of a frog, life cycle of a cockroach, life cycle of a butterfly. These are all we discussed in this video. Okay children, in the life cycle of a cockroach, there are only 3 stages. In the butterfly, there are only 4 stages. Okay children, remember that. Thank you for watching the video. Children, in the next class, I explain the lesson reading and the textbook exercises. I hope you would have understood the topic. Thank you for watching the video.